Then it might be gaming.
Oh. So, Ross does have his uses. Oopsie.
Video, Steve.
Hey?
You might get it wrong.
No, well, I mean, so what's this now? That's a bedside table.
Yeah.
And Ross is putting it together for me. Because I fuck us up. Look at that. So talented. He drives a massive, great big truck.
Following instructions, Steve, is not talent.
So, when I tried to put together this last one, I was following the instructions.
Debatable. You sound like Sam right now. I did follow the instructions. But why is that fucking screw in there then?
Well, you know, they gave me a screw that was too long and too blunt. And it got stuck and it threaded the...
Story of your life in it, Steve.
And, you know... and I had to take a video of it and send it to them and show them everything. And then they said, okay, fine, we'll refund you. You don't even have to pay us back.
So they do.
You don't have to send it back. Because how would I? It's half assembled.
You put the wrong screw in the wrong hole.
I didn't. I still remember it was screw number 9. It was too long. But, you know, maybe I did. You know, this is why...
At least they refunded.
They refunded and I chucked it.
You don't normally get that, do
You know, and it's supposed to be a very nice one with USB ports and a light and all of that. And it didn't. It just didn't work out.